Namaste. I am Dr. Shama Kadri from Faculty of Physiotherapy and Diagnostics, and today in this video we are going to talk about post-operative complications. General post-operative complications are immediate, early, and late. Immediate primary hemorrhage starting during surgery, a reaction hemorrhage, and may require return to thread to re-explore the wound. Basal acetatus, minor lung collapse, shock, blood loss, acute myocardial infarction, pulmonary embolism, or septicemia, low urine output, inadequate fluid replacement, intraoperatively and postoperatively. Early pain, acute confusion, nausea and vomiting, fever, secondary hemorrhage, pneumonia, wound, DVT, deep vein thrombosis, acute urinary retention, UTI, urinary tract infection, post-operative wound infection, pressure shock, wall obstruction due to fibrous adhesions, paralytic uterus, late wall obstruction due to fibrous adhesions, incisional hernia, persistent sinus, recurrence of reason for surgery, example malignancy, keloid formation, cosmetic appearance depend on many factors, post-operative fever, 0 to 24 hours, tissue damage and necrosis at the operation site, hematoma, pre-existing infection, 24 to 72 hours, pulmonary atelectasis, chest infection, specific infections related to the surgery, example, biliary infection following biliary surgery, UTI following urological surgery, blood transfusion or drug reaction, day 3 to 7, bronchopneumonia, sepsis, wound infection, drape site infection or phlebitis, abscess formation, anastomosis, leak. Day 7, DVT, pulmonary embolus, hemorrhage, infections. Infectious complications are the main cause of post-operative morbidity in abdominal surgery. Post-operative incidence hence lends with the advent of prophylactic antibiotics, but multi-resistant organisms present in increased challenge. Gas gangrene is uncommon and life-threatening. Disorder wound healing. Most wound heal without complication, and healing is not impaired in the elderly unless there are specific adverse factors or complications. Factors which may affect healing are poor blood supply, excess suture tension, long-term steroid, immunosuppressive therapy, radiotherapy, severe rheumatoid disease, malnutrition, and vitamin deficiency. Wound dehiscence, the affect about 1% of midline laparotomy wounds. It is serious complication with a mortality of up to 30%. It is due to failure of wound closure technique. It usually occurs between 7 and 10 days post-operatively. Often it healed by zero discharge from the wound. It should be assumed that the defect involves the wall of the wound. Incisional hernia. It occurs in 5 to 20% of laparotomies. The current Literature suggests using a transverse incision if possible, a suture technique with small bites, a wound suture length ratio of 1:4, surgical injuries, respiratory complications, atelectasis, alveolar collapse. In severe cases, positive pressure ventilation may be recovered. Pneumonia, aspiration, pneumonitis, sterile inflammation of the lungs from inhaling gastric content, acute respiratory distress syndrome, thromboembolism, TVT, and pulmonary embolism are major cases of complication and then death after surgery. Pulmonary embolism classically present with sudden dyspnea and cardiovascular collapse with pleuritic chest pain, pleural rub, and hemostasis. However, smaller pulmonary emboli are more common and present with confusion, breathlessness, and chest pain. Common urinary problems like urinary retention, UTI, acute kidney injury, complications of bowel surgery, delay return of function, early mechanical obstruction, late mechanical obstruction, prevention of post-operative complications are colorectal surgery, weight control, optimal nutritional status, correction of anemia, ball preparation in selected cases but not routinely, correction of intraoperative blood loss, correction of intraoperative blood loss, technical accepts, adequate adequate post-operative analgesics, prophylactic use of antibiotics, anastomotic leakage, ALIS, DVT, intraoperative hemorrhage, urinary retention. So this was all about post-operative complications and its management. If you have any queries related to this video, ask me in the comment section. This video is powered by a digital version of 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth University. खुश रहिए.